Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to check out Ethereum Classic. And if you remember in the previous update, we were, I believe, right in here. And the idea was that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into this larger degree wave 3. The current move down is a correction for 4. And soon we can expect yet another move up into wave 5. And we did get that, but I'm not talking about this specific move. Why is that? Because I think starting from this point, in Ethereum Classic, we had a beautiful ABC in form of an expanded flat, which the subways for it are like this. ABC down into A, ABC on the upside into B, maybe a WXY. In my opinion, it doesn't really make that much of a difference. And then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down into RC. Now let's zoom on more and count some waves. So I'm thinking this is probably a B, C down, followed by that. This can be, yeah, sure, another A, B, C on the upside, or maybe a WXY, and then great 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulsive structure down. And on a higher degree, well, okay, these are the subwaves for an ABC flat into this wave 4, and I believe this specific move up can be into our wave 5. However, we should consider different possibilities in the interest of being objective. So that's why I want to tell you, in ETC, if we are actually lucky, we may have an extension scenario, meaning, sure, this is an impulse, that's fair enough, but into a wave 1, the current move is into wave 2, and then we're going to get another good move up into wave 3, 4, 5, and at that point, this red 5 wave up, it's going to be into this wave 5. Now, can we have another scenario? Yes, and again, we mentioned that earlier, this point can be the end of our wave 5. Question, what's the difference? Well, this scenario suggests from the current point, we're going to get a rather strong move on the downside in order to possibly reach to about these areas. The other one suggests maybe we're going to go just a bit higher, and then we are going to have a move down. One way or the other, having a move down in ETC, in my opinion, is absolutely in the cards. It's just a question of whether we are going to get our move down from the current point or maybe a bit higher. Now, question, how can we say whether this or the previous scenario is happening? I think you need to have your eyes on this important low about, let's say, $19. Why is that? Because if we see a move down in order to take this low, at that point, I'm going to say with quite a bit of confidence that this is actually an impulse up into this wave 5, and we need to be open to the possibility of a good move down, maybe in form of an ABC zigzag, in order to reach again to about these areas between like $16 to $17. I think that can actually happen. Is this going to be necessarily a bearish sign? No, absolutely not. If we see the right subwaves in here, who knows, this might actually be a beautiful buy and potentially long opportunity, in hope that we get the next massive phase of the bull run, which in it, I think we can easily go to somewhere around $30, $40. I think that can happen. But before that, again, please, please, please be open to the possibility of having a move down. And if we're going to get our move down from here, that scenario will get confirmed the moment that we take this important low about 19 bars. So for now, all eyes on the current move down and see in it, are we going to take this level or not? And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Ethereum Classic's price chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.